And good day. Today we're looking at this. It's a CB-X4 CarryBright remote control front and rear LED. It's for a push bike. So we'll open it, have a look inside. It's the first time I've done so. We've got some instructions. And we've got the units themselves. I'll put them out on the table and we'll come back and have a bit of a look once I lay it out. We've got 5 small O-rings, we've got 2 larger ones, we've got the remote control, we've got this little bracket here. This is a seat post bracket that fits down on the seat post and the lights fit off this. We have a 5-way charger. And we've got these little tiny brackets and they fit on the back of the indicator lights themselves. They just simply slide in position and you can stick them onto your handlebars or wherever. And we also have these. These are a little friction sticker, so they stick on the handlebars or wherever you want to put them, and it gives a little bit of grip to the actual indicators and the remote control itself. As you can see, the devices are all charging. That's off the one cable, so the red LED lights are on and they're supposed to change to green when we have a full charge. So we'll come back once we get a full charge and see if they're green. It looks like the main remote controller is fully charged. Everything is now fully charged as all the LEDs have turned green. I've got everything fully charged. We're about to check out the controller and what it can do. So let's pick it up, press the button once, and you can see we've got the indicator lights on and we've got a purple light here. Press it again, stops. Press the other one, same sort of scenario. Press it again, it stops. Now we're going to check the mode switch. The first one will be the horn. Hold it down. And you can see a bit of flashing. We hold it down again. Hold it down again to turn off. And that's it. So that's all the different modes. And that, by the way, that horn is quite loud. I've mounted the indicator lights on the strap on the back of my bike. They'll bounce around a bit, but it won't make any difference. You'll be able to see them. You could also mount them down further on the frame, but this is a folding bike, so for me, this is an ideal position. I've added the little adhesive strips on the bottom of the controller, and that's a little bit more secure. Everything's working nicely, so quite happy with the overall effect. The lights are extremely bright. I might have to tighten this a little bit more, but apart from that, very happy with the unit. Thoughts on the CarryBright LED indicator lights for the bicycle with horn. Mustn't forget the horn. It's actually a bit of fun. I might actually do a video scaring people as I come along in the bike lane. You know the type of person that never moves no matter how many times you ring the bell. I think the horn will make them jump. But anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, doesn't matter. Perhaps you'd like to see me scare someone, by all means, leave a comment and I'll see what I can do. And hopefully I'll get to see you on the next video, assuming, of course, you have subscribed. And if you haven't, consider doing that as well. Anyway, all the very best. Till next time, take care. Bye for now.